Outstanding design defines the 2007 Nissan Murano. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.